In this video, I will create a small generator and we will see what are the associated functions that are present inside a generator. So to simulate that, first I will create a small generator. So let's say I have given it a name called test gen. It takes no argument and it will yield nothing. So yield none. So this is our generator, a very small generator, and I will create an object of this generator. So obj underscore test gen. You can give any name. I have given test underscore gen. So it is test underscore gen, and this is our object. Now if you want to know the type, so you can trigger the type function and you can pass the object, and you can see it is a type generator. So the object type is generator. Now to know the associated functions that are present inside a generator object, we can use the dir function and we will pass the object, that is in this case it is object underscore gen, and you can see we have got all the associated methods that are present with generator object. Now you can see we have both dunder iter and dunder next. This means using a generator we can use a for loop and we can use the next method to get the elements that are present inside a generator. Now this is the theory. Now as this generator doesn't have anything, we will build one generator that will simulate the functionality of the next method. Now I will modify this one, or let's say I will create one new generator so that we can have the similar functionality that we are getting over there. So I will write def my range, and there is a starting point and there is an ending point. Inside it I will use a temp variable and I will place the value of start over here. Then I will use a while loop and I will check if the temp is less than end, then I will yield the temp value. Now once this is done, I will increase the value of temp. So temp plus equal to 1. So this is our generator that we have created, and it does a very similar job like the next function inside this class. So now it is time to test it. So if I create an object that is called gen underscore value, then I will invoke this constructor, or you can say the function that we have created, or the generator that we have created, that's my range, and I have a starting point called 2 and I have a starting and the ending point that will be, let's say, 22. Now once is there, what is that wrong? My range RNG is missing. So we have got our generator object. Now to check if we can use the next method or not, we will first invoke the next method and we will pass the argument gen value, and you can see we have got the first value. Similarly, if I keep on executing it multiple times, and it will be extracting the values that are present inside the generator, or generator in each time it will trigger or it will extract the next value, or it will generate the next value. Similarly, to use the for loop, first we need to reset the value. So I will reset it. So I will call this function once more, and I will use a for loop for I in gen value, and I will print over it for I. And you can see we are using for loop as well as we are using the next method. So this is how a generator works. So a generator is also an iterator, because an iterator have both dunder, that is iter, and next. So this is all about our generator and how it is associated with our iterators, and we will meet in our next video.